Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out this TarmacWorks VeilSide, the Mazda RX7 VeilSide Fortune7 right here, and this is basically new as well, as if you don't know, basically VeilSide and Tarmac collaborated and start to release some models for 2025, and yeah, many people were happy about this since Tarmac and VeilSide are now creating some nice looking diecast models, including this RX7. In the previous video we did focus on the Nissan Fairlady Z, the 400Z in orange, and now looks like we will be checking out the RX7 this time in yellow. So here is the front of the box, looking pretty neat and all. You do have the car right there as well, Mazda RX7 VeilSide Fortune7, and then TarmacWorks and VeilSide right there. There's the car as well, and then yeah, I love the Japanese I think nice looking background right there with the flyovers and also bridge right there as well. Over here it does say TarmacWorks right there, the logo. On top it does say Global 64. This come in this box. TarmacWorks VeilSide, the Tarmac website, and the socials, and over on the bottom, TarmacWorks VeilSide Mazda RX7 VeilSide Fortune7 in yellow and black, VeilSide licensed product. There's everything, and also the barcode at the bottom right there, made in China. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So yeah, there's the car in a nice looking lemon sort of yellow color. Here it is, gorgeous looking Mazda RX7 in sort of like a lemon yellow right here. Diecast metal body and chassis, of course, and there it is, the car with some detailed headlights, some stripes on the roof and hood, and then over on the side there as well. Your 5-spoke gray colored rims, and then the rear lights as well with the plastic rear spoiler. Yeah, it overall looks great. Loving the details that it comes in. Yeah, let's take a close look at our beautiful looking Mazda RX7 in yellow. Oops. Heard something fell. So yeah, here it is, the Mazda RX7. Loving the color. Just that, sure wish it would be in orange, but I don't think there will be one in orange for the time being, because yeah, I think at some point we won't be seeing orange, I think, because well, if you don't know, the orange version is apparently from the movie Fast and Furious, and well, if you don't know about that, well, technically it's of course owned by Fast and Furious company, of course, and I'm not entirely sure whether Tarmac is able to make an orange version or not of that, since if you don't know, this car was driven by Song Kang in the movie Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, and it is quite an iconic car in the movie, with some drift scenes here and there on the Japanese road as well, in the heart of Japan. And yeah, this car was colored in orange in that movie specifically, and yeah, it did look really nice. So yeah, this time it is colored in yellow as a first release. The next color that they will release is going to be sort of like a gray, metallic gray color. And meanwhile, for the VeilSide Fairlady 400Z, the next color that will be released is blue, which is cool and all. So as for this one, yeah, in yellow, if you ask me, looks really nice. I do like it, although we're not used to seeing it in yellow for now. It does look pretty pretty nice if you ask me. So it does come packed with the RX7 custom body kit made by VeilSide, of course. And yeah, I really do like the design that they fully replicate from the real RX7 VeilSide model. So yeah, I guess let's take a close look at our RX7 right here. So there it is, the Mazda RX7 VeilSide Fortune7. And let's start off from the rims. So yeah, gray colored 5-spoke rims with some silver outlining right there. Rubber tires. You do have this massive blacked out trim on the side right here. At the door area as well. And then you do have the same set of rims for the front as well. Plastic side mirrors right there, which is cool. You do have some printed sort of like screws on the side beneath the side window right there, which is pretty nice. On the front, yeah, you do see the transparent headlights right there, which look aggressive, and I really do like it. There's the front hood and also that massive black stripe moving towards the back right there. VeilSide logo on the front bumper right there. Some front grille right here in black. And then you have the extended front splitter as well. Some hood intakes right there. So the interior, yeah, right hand drive. VeilSide right there. And yeah, on the windshield banner, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior. And there is the roof, blacked out roof, metal as well. And moving on to the side, pretty much the same thing, nothing much of a difference. And then there are the rear windows right here, which you can see the inside right there, which is pretty nice. Plastic rear spoiler right here, colored in black, held with 2 supports. And then you do have the rear lights right there, VeilSide logo, the brake lights or reverse lights, I think. Some more intakes, and also the VeilSide license plate right there in the middle, and also a single exhaust tip over on the right there. Let's move on to the base. So yeah, metal blacked out base right here, metal blacked out base. TARMACWORKS, Mazda RX7 VeilSide Fortune7 made in China. Yeah, you do have the exhaust tip detailing right there. It's sort of like a, is that a chrome? No, it's a matte silver sort of color. There you go. Sorry. So yeah, there it is, the Mazda RX7 VeilSide Fortune7. Quite a nice looking model, if you ask me. Made by TarmaCWORKS. Really do like the detailing. I do hope they can release orange one in the future, but I don't really think they could, since technically the livery is owned by Fast and Furious, but I'm not entirely sure about that. Who knows, maybe Tarmac will eventually do a variant with orange paint job. Who knows? Maybe, who knows, Fast and Furious gives the permission. But still, it looks very, very nice. Quite a great VeilSide model to add to the collection, side by side with the 400Z in orange. Let me know what you think down in the comments about this VeilSide Mazda RX7 in the comments. And yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.